Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create a cool Instagram story video using only the effects in CapCut. So here you need to prepare a photo and then just add it to CapCut and go straight to the body effects. Then find the superpowers category, and in here select the background stream effect. Okay, this one, and adjust the horizontal into 90 and intensity 100. Okay, go back and add another body effect. So this time select the mask category and then choose the partial distortion effect. Okay, this one, and adjust the intensity 100 and speed 50. Okay, click on the check icon, and now you need to go to the video effects, find the 3D tab. Okay, this one, and select the lightning effect. Now adjust the glow 40, speed 40, and rotate 100, stickers 100, and filter 80. But for the color you can just adjust it based on the color of your photo. So I'm going to go with this one. And after that you are done, just click on the check icon, and here is the final result. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Thank you.